Fifth on our list, AI financial advisors. Forget expensive consultations. These AI advisors provide personalized financial plans, track your expenses, and help you invest wisely, giving you total control over your financial future. For Tool 5, here are 2 AI financial advisors. AI Financial Advisor Consultant. Help individuals and small businesses set up AI-powered financial planning tools to manage their budgets, track expenses, and invest smartly. Earnings. Financial consultants can charge $2,000 to $10,000 per client annually, potentially earning $50,000 to $150,000 or more. Robo-advisor business owner. Set up your own automated financial advisory service, catering to people who need help managing investments and finances, but don't want to pay for traditional financial advisors. Earnings. Depending on the number of clients, a robo-advisor business could generate $50,000 to $200,000 or more annually.